Hello friend, welcome to our JIT classes, and today I'll tell you about the most important tips. This will also very helpful for you if you will follow these tips. So definitely your spoken English will be very up to mark, right? So I will tell you about first step, face to face conversation, because in initial stage when you are learning English, you are not finding any partner at that time. So what you will do, only you can just think about you. If you will find any partner in your locality or maybe any other place, so don't hesitate. You want to speak English, you want to do something, you want to achieve any goal in your life, so you should just make the face to face conversation with any other friend, right? So if you are making a lot of mistake while learning English, someone want to say I don't want to learn, I don't want to get that type of things, that type of atmosphere, that type of friend, that reason only I am totally student of Hindi medium, so how can I learn English, how can I speak English? No, it's all about excuses only. It's up to you, because you are responsible one day when you will reach the higher position because of English language. So what the other people think about you? So always face make to make conversation, because when you will face conversation with anyone, so at that time you got that much confidence. This confidence will always boost up you. If you have confidence, so everything will be up to you. Okay, so at the initial stage, don't learn any difficult word, difficult sentence. Only it's up to you, because when you will learn very easy and very easy sentences, and then whenever you will get a time while speaking English, so you can use it, right? So nowadays you have seen the big change in our country. People are learning English day by day. They are learning, they are doing something, they are getting better job because of the English language. And if they want to make conversation face to face on the WhatsApp or maybe Meet, Google or Cloud app are there on the Play Store. If you want to participate in this meeting, so you can participate, right? So when you will do this activity on the daily basis, so you will see the significant difference in yourself, right? So if you don't see this type of significant difference, so you can follow another strategy, right? You can learn another thing, you can do another thing. So this will always help you, because this method is very easy for you. If I will tell you about this method, because that's the reason only this method is very easy for you. If you will do a face to face conversation, so it's very easy, it's very simple, it's very under logical terminology I am going to explain you. And when you will follow this face to face conversation, everything you got to know, right? Hereafter you will come to know about this step, because this step is very easy. First time what you will see, first time you will never want to speak, but after 2 or 3 days you will speak. When you will speak, you learn new sentences, you will new vocabs and words, and so many things you will learn from there. So always make face to face conversation, and what just you can follow it. Whatever you have learned in it throughout the day, just you are thinking about those things, whatever I have learned, so you can just follow it. If you have anybody at your home, so you can tell them, and you can just check it my progress and how much improvement I have done it. And if there is any problem in my sentences, in my underwriting skills, so you can just check it up and tell me where I have done this mistake. Okay, so always make face to face conversation with anyone. When you will do this type of conversations, so everything you will find it out, new word, new sentence, new ideas you will got from there. So it's up to you. If you will learn English, so definitely one day and you can achieve, you can accomplishment of your goal. So this is the first things I have explained for you. So face to face conversation. And next we have using fillers in the beginning stage, right? Fillers, fillers is very important, right? In beginning stage, and if you are using fillers, so it's very important for you, it's play very vital role. Many learners I have seen, they are using the fillers in the middle of the conversation. So it will also very helpful for you if you will learn this and the rule and regulation of this language. So this is very awesome language, and if you will follow it, so you will never and demotivate with anyone. Okay, so every day you will be very very happy with this. So I will tell you about the filler. Okay, filler is also very important, and because if you are end up speaking English in the middle of the conversation, you are stucking. Okay, so you can use fillers like that. Like, what I mean to say about that, these are the fillers. If you will use it, so you will never stuck. If that person are speaking with you, so they will never understand to you, and you are using fillers. But you should use limit fillers, don't use and that much fillers, because that much fillers will always and give you so many things, but that is no meaning of your fillers. Only use very simple fillers. Like these are the fillers. So many fillers are there, and you can search on the YouTube, so you can find it out so many videos on these topics, right? Filler is very important in the beginning stage. You can use it, and you can and make your conversation fruitful when you will learn these fillers and use it. So always don't use these fillers if you are going anywhere, if you are speaking in front of anyone. So don't use fillers that much, because this will not helpful for you. Only use limit fillers, and you can use and different type of words, different types of sentences. And when you will use these things, so you will see and how much you have learned from there. Okay, so filler is also play very vital role, and it is very necessary for all of you, only for the learner if they are in the beginning stage. Okay, and then let's move on to the next one, and listen English news. Okay, so in the initial stage, people are not following any news. They don't want to learn anything else. They want to just become the good speaker of this language on the 10 days, 20 days. But it's not possible, because this is the journey. I would say this is the very difficult journey. Okay, if you are very sharp memory in order to learn something, so you can learn this language within 3 months. Okay, but you don't get right word in the right time, right? So always listen English news, because news anchor are very good, and whatever they pronounce in a very well manner. And when you will follow this news channel, or maybe any other speaker of any news channel, so you can just listen very carefully what they are saying to you. And when you will and follow these things, so you will see your pronunciation, your and way of speaking, your way of doing some things, everything will be good. And hereafter there is no need to learn the grammar in deeply for spoken English. Only understanding of grammar should be there in your mind, right? So when you will follow and listening news or any other YouTube channel which is related to that news, or maybe other and other news channels are also there, so you can just follow it, you can just learn it from there on the daily basis. I would say don't spend that much time on English. At least 2 hours you should just speak towards your study only for spoken English, right? Otherwise, if you will and learn, if you will learn anything else but you don't use it, so what you will do? Only you are learning, you will never implement it, those things, so it will become the useless for you. Okay, so implementation is very important. So you can use those words, those sentences, those phrase, idioms, whatever you have learned, so you can use it in your conversation. And if anybody who are speaking with you, they will always give you and thumbs up, you are well, you are doing well, you are doing something well, and one day you will become the good speaker of this language also, right? So always listen and news, always listen a native speaker. Okay, so these are the things which was there about. And then let's move on to the next one, observation. Okay, observe the other people, because whatever you are learning, so you will never learn anything else. So you can just observe the people, you can see you any people. So what you will see, if you want to watch movie, so you can watch any movie. If you will follow movie or in South Indian movie, so you can just follow it, right? If you follow any web series, so you can follow it. Otherwise, if you don't want to speak, so how can I tell you? Only I'm here only I will tell you about the rule and regulation. If you will follow it, so you will become better than me, right? So you can just observe other people, what the other people are saying to you, and you can just listen. If you are speaking with anyone, so you can just listen with that person. If they are speaking new word, new thing, so you can note it down those things in your copy, and in future if that thing will be more appropriate for you, so you can just use it those things whatever they said to you. Okay, so observation, so this will also very helpful for you. Only I am giving you a suggestion, and if you will follow it, so you will become like that. Okay, so observation is very important for you, and you can just learn it, you can just follow it. Okay, and let's move on to the next one. Join any spoken classes for learning English. Okay, so if you are learning English, you never get anyone near to you. Okay, nobody can help you, to be honest, right? So only you know about your weakness, about your strength, where am I weak, right? So you can just join any coaching classes for learning purpose, because when you will join any coaching classes for learning purpose, so what you will learn from there, you can learn a lot of things from there. Okay, first, when if you don't have knowledge of present, past, future, so when you will go there, so that teacher will tell you about present, past and future, so you can learn it because you are at these levels, and you can follow it, and you can and become like the other student. And then when you will go there, so other and students are also participating many types of debates. So if you are more command on these skills, if you have more curious about in order to and do something better than other students, so you can just participate in that group. Okay, only if you don't have and that much money, so you can and ask, sir, how much money should I pay over here for 1 month? So if you are and giving and money to that coaching classes, so you can go there, you can join any coaching classes, but I will never recommend you any coaching classes for a speaking purpose. So many videos are there on YouTube. Okay, you can learn step by step, you can follow it. If you are belong to middle class family, okay, so you can follow it, you can just do under something, okay, best in our life, right? So always don't do that. Okay, only you can watch, you can do, you can speak. You, if you get any opportunities, speak with your friend, talk to yourself, and speak in front of mirror. Okay, so only you can speak up. So join spoken English is not matter for you. What matter over here, only you can put more effort in your speaking. Okay, so if you will follow rule and regulation for speaking purpose, so there are the 3 or 4 pillars only for learning English. Okay, so if you will follow it, so your spoken English will be very amazing and awesome. So it's up to you, and you can follow it. If you wanna join any spoken classes for this also, so you can join, it's up to you. Otherwise, if you don't join it, so you can follow and other YouTube channels, you can follow my channel, you can follow another and spoken English channels, so you will get more and benefit from there also. Okay, it's up to you. I will never end up force with anybody. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Be confident always, right? Whatever you have learned while speaking English and speaking with partners, speaking with anyone, speaking with teachers, so don't demotivate, don't think like that I am not and better than that people, that students, so how can I speak English, how can I use different sentence, different words, how can I make conversation? Without vocabulary you can't make a good conversation with anyone. Okay, so if you have a vocabulary, if you have a sentences in your mind, so you can make it awesome conversation with anyone, to be honest, right? So sooner or later when you will follow this rule and regulation, so your conversation will be very and awesome and energetic. So this will always push up to the new ideas. Okay, so only you can just follow it, because be confident all the time. Actually, people have knowledge, people have the accuracy of 99%, but they don't want to speak English. Because of this, if I'll speak English, so other person always demotivate. Okay, you don't have this knowledge, you don't have that knowledge, you have to just improve it, you have to just do it, you have to improve your pronunciation, you have to just learn different things, and you can just implement it in your own conversation. Okay, so just listen of everybody, okay, listen anyone, but don't follow it. Okay, which area you have more interested, you can just follow it, you can just and learn it from there. Okay, and always be confident, whatever in your mind, just speak up, whether it is right or wrong, only you should speak up. Okay, learning never should be stopped according to my perspective, right? So whatever you have, you can speak up and be confident all the time, be positive and never give up. Okay, do your best all the time, right? So I will tell you, and the last one, promise to yourself, speak only in English. Okay, so promise to yourself, if you are at home, okay, you will see your family member, I am here, my mother and father both are there, how can I speak English, how can I speak with anyone? Okay, if you will tell, I am not good, I am not good, I am not and doing and better than other students, so how can I speak? Even at my home nobody can speak English. Okay, so what you will do, only you can speak yourself. If you have any object, if you have any bottle at your home, if you have anything, if you have pen, if you have marker, so you can just describe this marker, this is a marker. Okay, and this is its red color. Okay, you can just describe it, you can just and tell. If you have cell phone in your hand, so you can describe and color and camera and picture, so many things you can describe, you can learn from there also. Okay, and till the now, when you will follow it this activity, and then what you will see, you will see the major difference in yourself, right? Only you can describe yourself, nobody can help you. Teacher will always motivate you, they will always give you idea, they will always provide you so many platform only for learning purpose, but they will never tell you. And if you will join these coaching classes, so I will tell you so many things and you will be speak English just like me. No, it's nothing. Okay, only you should put more effort in this direction, you should devote more time on this direction, so you will become like that. But always learn, always learn. Okay, always learn and keep practice, keep learning, keep growing all the time, because when you will and learn, then you can use it all the time. And if you are going somewhere, so you can use it, you can just say, and what do you mean by that? If you don't understand any sentence, so you can ask other and a person, other student, can you tell me what does it means of that? Okay, what to say in English? If you are saying, if you are saying anything, okay, if you don't understand, if you are asking anything at all with your friends, so you can just ask, how can I say? If you are not translating any sentence into Hindi, so you can just tell other and student, how can I translate? How can I translate? If you don't aware about that structure, that sentence, so you can just ask. Okay, never hesitate with anyone. Speak up what you know. Go one step ahead in your life, because when you will go ahead, so other people, when they will see to you, so they will always appreciate you, compliment you, and this is my friend, at that time he got the higher position in our life. Okay, so when you will speak up, when you will do this and things, so definitely everything you got it, you have the luxury car, you have the luxury house, if you got the higher position in your life. Okay, so always be positive and never give up until then we become your best. So these are the things I have covered, and the more than and the 6 or 7 step about this, and how to remove hesitation while speaking English at all. Okay, so I have explained about very well about this thing, because this thing very helpful for you. If you follow this rule and regulation, so definitely your spoken English up to the mark, and you can just follow it. So till the time, spread your love on this channel. So I will be back very soon with interesting topics. So till the time, bye bye, have a great day ahead, see you next time, bye bye.